the mirror tool. So I'm going to do something silly here. So I'm going to assign these vertices to the ear. Let's just get the update. Ear left. I'm just going to give them quite a lot of value there. So when the ears move, so the head and things are moving too much there anyway, but when the ears move, so if you do any adjustments and you want to copy or mirror skin weights, at my object here, so you just select a central. So these will work really well on symmetrized models. So if you select that one, go to select side of active. Okay, this you can switch it to the other side by playing with these values here. And I'm just gonna get rid of these because I don't want to mirror those at the moment. There we go. So now I am going to go to my mirror tool here at the bottom. So the mirror. So I'll mirror along the x-axis. So whatever is selected, it will try and find the corresponding vertices on the other side. You can set a minimum tolerance for how far it needs to look for vertices, but you can just simply now click mirror weights. And now it's going to go through all those and mirror it. And once it's finished, and now it's finished, you'd see the skin editing has mirrored to the other side. So this works really well with symmetrized meshes, but if it's not perfect symmetrized, you can update this tolerance and then you can see how far you can push it. But especially for symmetrized models, the mirror skin weights tool here will work in a very simple way. So it takes each of the values of those vertices, finds the opposite vertex and assigns it to the opposite groups. So this is a much simplified way to mirror skin weights, and I hope you enjoy the ease of it. Cool.